Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a bright idea effects in CapCut. So the video will look like this, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first, prepare your video thinking and looks like you have an idea like this. Okay, after that you just can go to effects, body effects, and then find emotions. So just swipe, find the emotions category, this one, and scroll down until you find the bright idea option. So just click on that, and here you can adjust the effect, the speed. I'm going to just set it into 40, and in the atmosphere you can adjust it. I'm going to go to 80, and sticker, you can adjust the stickers opacity like this. I'm going to just make it big, and also the size. But if you're done, just go back and click on a check icon, and you can add an audio. So here I'm using the sound effect from CapCut. Okay, go to effects, audio, and then choose effects, and here I'm going to go to the transition and use the bell ding sound, this one right here. Click on the plus icon, and you can adjust it with your video. I'm going to just play it first to preview the result. Okay, so I'm going to drag the sound. Okay, I'm going to review again. So you can just adjust the effects and also the sound so that it fits your video. So I'm going to go like that. Okay, so I think that's enough. That is how you can add bright idea effects in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.